Hello everyone, finally has arrived the active balancer from Aliexpress, and I've ordered two, but I just got one for some reason. I got a partial delivery. I don't know if this is the 5 amps or 2 amps. The package is intact. It looks okay. Looks like a nice packaging. I mean, outside it's perfect. I guess this is the 5 amp active balancer. So here's the moment of truth. Ta-da! Let me get closer so you can see better. So we have a lot of cables, and they are numbered. Later we'll see which number. I see B9, B2. Then we get this cable here, and then this should be, you know what, I think better not moving the camera and use two hands. Yes, this is the adapter. It looks okay, no damage. You know, I guess this adapter basically, well, let's see later. Let's see the important part. The active balancer. It's a metal case. Here has a nice button. Looks really nice. I mean, I saw the 1 amp, 2 amp on videos, but they don't have this plated. I have no idea what it's saying, but here is written 5A. So probably it's quite obvious that these three gotta be plugged in here like this, like so. I wonder if it's this way or the other way around. I guess it's this. No, well, I don't know. It comes out like this. Oh yeah, by chance I placed them the right way, because you see the B1 has a black wire, and these cables are very soft, so I believe the cable inside the wire, it's very very thin, because I bought the same kind of wire for recabling the battery pack when it caught fire. So we have three groups, and they have a connector here. So this is obviously it goes to one of the two. Let's see. This has the number that goes from B17, crocodile, yes, it's a crocodile. So B13, 18, 11, 14. So this goes in the second port, the one in the middle. This one, B19, 20, B24. It has the tiny one, so obviously it goes here, right? Yes. And this one, B1, B minus. So this obviously goes here. So maybe it's obvious, but I suppose this is the power button, because maybe it's not really necessary to balance the battery pack 24/7, maybe, unless you got mismatched cells, as I do. So so let's see this adapter. Happily I didn't bought it. It was only 10 euros, but I wasn't sure it was included. I was like, okay, let's wait, because it's not super necessary. So let's reconnect. Like this. Remember, the black wire goes in the last one. Okay. Then on the board here you see the numbers. B minus, B minus. So B minus here. Oh, I'm off the camera. Okay. Now, okay. Focus. So the one with the B minus goes here. Here is written B minus. And it goes like here. And like this. So maybe I guess with this you can connect it directly from here to your group of cells of the battery pack when you are balancing, when your battery pack is not mounted on a car. I believe with these clamps, I don't think I can hold it like that. I mean, here are my working process cells. I have group of three prismatic cells together with connectors, and there is a wire. Oh, by the way, this is I think it's the temperature. Oh, no, this is for external No, this is for feeding the active balancer instead of getting electricity from the battery pack. Maybe something I see, there is no, the package is very nice, but there's no instruction because they kindly sent a link so we save paper. But you know, sometimes it was nice to have it. So maybe we'd I was saying that here is written B minus, and here B minus again with the smaller connector. So maybe you can connect the wire from your group of cells or single cell if you have a very big one. For my system is 16S 3P, 3 in parallel, and 16 groups. So each group of 3 cells, in my case, should be connected to one of these. You can connect up to 24 cells, and yeah, this is made. Why they made 2 groups? Maybe for different kind of I don't know what's the name of the connectors. I don't have it here. Let me check 1 second. The previous wiring ahead of my battery pack had how was it? What am I doing? No idea. Well, in any case, I forgot the technical words, but you just buy, I guess, female connectors, terminals to put the connectors here, and there you go. Then you download the app, and because I remember some people that bought this kind of active balancer, they had to unplug the wire to make this balancer detectable from the app that you're eventually gonna put on your phone. But maybe they upgraded with this button. I guess it has a little LED. It has probably glowing LED. I hope we get some colors. I don't know, like red and green to say something is okay, something's wrong. So next time, I'm curious if I'd like to open it up, but maybe it's not the case. Need to talk to my technician. So yeah, unless you find you got connectors like this, okay, and you made the wire long enough to reach every group of cells, or or so if we plug this this way and like so. These wires are very nice made, I have to say. Looks pretty safe. So this black connector, I wonder if it can actually fit in here. Obviously it doesn't, because it wouldn't make any sense. You can just directly connect it there. So anyway, this was the unboxing. This is the case, very nice. Just in case you are called for helping people out. Oh, help, I need to balance my battery pack, and you can just do the service. I mean, the packaging is extremely good. Next video we'll see if it actually worked after spending all this money. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can keep going with your DIY projects as well, because I hope mine will be okay. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Leave a comment if you like, if you have question or whatever. Bye bye.